머리 먼저 radio.
Oh, hello there, sir. What can I do for you? Oh, yeah, the milk is, like, right over there. It's, like, far away from it's far by the end, so if you want to grab that milk, go get it, so have a good luck. And I know it's a far away, so have a good luck. Enjoy. See you soon. And make sure beware. Help me! Oh, this guy is crazy. Do you remember what he did to me? You know what he did? He freaking killed me instantly. And he just remanded to right? He's a traitor. Don't trust him. I was getting the milk from you, like you did. Yes, he did. So, you're just gonna... Look out! He's behind!
Oh, what's going on in here? I'll freaking kill him, mate. Oh, I just what I needed, senpai. Come play with me. You know what I love to play. You ain't gonna get the milk until you're trying to get captured, are you? Come here, senpai. I've been waiting. Senpai, where are you? I'm coming for you. You better not take that milk right now, cause this time I locked the door, and most importantly, where is he? I've been looking for him. Oh, senpai, where are you? Nobody at stake, are you? Where are you? You better not hide anywhere. Where is he? Looks like I've gotta behave an enemy. I hear signs of it. You better not take that milk. I'm coming for you. Come here, senpai. I see you taking the milk, are you? Come here, senpai. I am the shopkeeper, where I'm a trader. I will confront your flesh, and I was wounded because I wanted all the shopkeepers to have money, and I know why. Silence! I'll stab the key in your heart, and I will flush your face right now. Anyway, I would like to incorrect it. My plan is, you better not escape, do you? Because if you are, you get to die. I will eat blood if you don't listen. Right, I'm just gonna go hop out and fix stuff, so you better not escape, do you? Okay. What a good question, eh? And most importantly, have a good luck. And you better not escape, senpai. See you later. God damn it, where's the freaking... Gosh, where's the freaking pleasant way? Hurry! You freaking computer, come on, fix! Am I running out of charge? Most importantly, I am running out of charge. pretty sure this won't work. Ah, there we go. It finally worked. Who escaped? I'm coming for you. You better not get that milk, Senpai, because I know what you're trying to. Come here. Well, I'm going to block it right now. If you won't stop. Oh, a loot house. Come to giant buns. Well, I will have good luck, Senpai. And guess what? I am going to have to give it one last chance. Now then, full untie in about 10 seconds. Actually, 20 seconds, as I'm saying. You might even stay here forever. If you don't, I'll pull out your heart, and I will completely pour your eyes in your guts. Anyway, good night. Well, have a good luck, Senpai. I won't kill you. I'll pull out your eyes. I'll put your guts in your heart, and I'll stick it in the key. Anyway, have good luck. See you later, Senpai. Wonder what else he got. Ooh. Oh, it has a lot of stuff in here. That's so good. Oh man, this is how it is. But first of all, it's Simon's right now. Oh my goodness, a TV! This is so much good as I know if I see something, if I was doing something. Well, I guess it's time for me to get back to work, okay? Alright, Senpai. I guess it's time to get to work. It makes me mad when I feel You better run from me! This is your last warning! If you escape, I'll kill you, Senpai! Makes me mad what I hate. I'm just gonna have to slap you in the face. You will never make cookies right now. Stay there! And don't ever say a word from me! Pretty sure I can have some apples. Oh yeah, apples. Those are for the good ones, and I found them in a tree. I'm pretty sure I can deserve them. Oh yeah. Bring us some of the apples, oh yeah. Oh yeah, give us some more apples. Oh yeah. Look at all these apples. Yum yum. Alright then. Time for your punishment, Senpai. I guess You will pay for what you're trying to run. And it makes me mad! I'm coming for you right now. Coming. Let me check it. Speed running, Senpai! Listen. Come here, senpai! You better over me! This is your last chance. And I will kill you once again. This is your last chance. I will heal you. I will kill them. And I'll give you all of your blood before you even imagine. Don't question me. Now then, I guess I have to get an idea from now on. As you see, oh crap, see that? This is a trap. It's a most deadly environment, as I required that you touch it. If you touch it, it will activate, and I will kill you when it's definitely. God! This time, if you step on the bear trap, you're dead. Now stay there! And don't ever even try to invent it. Pretty sure I can do my task to get all traps. Bye-bye.